one of the patents is up here. There's 4 patents on the patches now.
You know a few things.
And one, but by far the single biggest segment is in the field of regenerative medicine. And so when we say regenerative medicine, that is almost entirely stem cell science. Although you could consider other things to be part of regenerative medicine, but usually we talk about stem cells, right? And so I'm going to actually show you something that we're doing that's very interesting because it's going to be a future LifeWave product. So if you promise to leave your cell phones here in just a second, not quite this second, but in just a second, I'm going to show you something, and I've never shown it to anybody before. We've been developing it for many years, so you guys are going to be the first group.
Wow.
Maybe that's my way of saying happy birthday to Hero. So
yes.
But it's on this device. There's over 70 patents now on just this device, and this has been in development for over 10 years, and we've done some really interesting things with it. Basically, this has application in agriculture, regenerative medicine, and material science. And we've had breakthroughs in all of those. I'm going to show you one actually in material science that's really, really cool. And you'll understand why I'm showing it to you in a moment. But we first started out, and what I wanted to do was use this as a device to accelerate the rate of healing in the body. And we did this on this animal called the planaria and also hydractinia. And normally, if you make a cut into one of these animals, in a planaria, they're going to heal in 17 days. And with this technology, we were able to get the rate of healing from 17 days down to 16 and a half hours. I then developed another technology, which is an offshoot of this. I only have a few patents up here, obviously. And we were able to actually get the cut to heal in 10 minutes.
Incredible.
So we're doing things. We had 2 world experts that looked at this. One that was in our lab, and then another one that looked at this over in Ireland. We're working with the university there. And basically, because this works so quickly, you take the animal, you put it under a microscope, you turn the equipment on, and you can actually see the wound healing in front of you. It's like really Star Trek crazy stuff. So yeah, it's kind of like that.
Yeah.
Kind of like that.
Yeah.
So how do you apply what type of?
As they used to say in the military, it's not quite ready for prime time.
Right.
So what that means is we have a working prototype here in the building, but it's not quite ready for human use.
Gadget, that kind of thing.
It's a machine.
Oh,
it's a machine, and these things get very, very expensive. You know, the really great thing about the patch is that it's so affordable. Anybody can use it. You can use it on a daily basis, and actually it does quite a few things that this technology doesn't do. But I'm going to walk you back. I opened up one of the labs here today.
Oh, first time, first time. We need to see inside.
We're not going to be like small.
No, we're not going to do that. By the way, in this building, we have, on this floor, we have order fulfillment center that's back over this way. So that services the U.S. And then the rest of the building, or the rest of the first floor, is all research labs. And then this side of the building on the second floor are some executive offices. And then we're just in the process of converting the other half of the building over to more research areas. So most of this is research. Our marketing, manufacturing, customer service, we all moved that to Ireland. And we have 2 buildings over there that are this size. So what I'm going to show you is, we just refer to this simply as the coil. On a technical basis, it's called the double helix conductor. Phones down, please. No problem.